In this video, I'm going to demonstrate how to perform a statutory minor correction, or SMC. After logging in, we will want to click on Oregon Admin Rules. For this example, I'm going to use rule number 162-001-0000. If you have more than one chapter of rules assigned to you, you will need to select the one you want to work in here. After selecting the chapter, I will see the Rules Coordinator dashboard. Now we want to locate the rule down here in our current chapter rules. So we'll go to Division 1, and I said we're going to do rule number 0000. So I'll click Start SMC here. Now I see the Statutory Minor Correction filing page. You'll notice here at the top we have several checkboxes. These are all the different types of changes that are permitted under a statutory minor correction. Please be sure to review ORS 183.335 Section 7 before filing a statutory minor correction. So for this example, let's say I am correcting statutory or rule references. So in the caption, I'm going to put updating statutory reference. So let's say here in section 1 that this statute was referred to with a typo in it. So what we'll want to do is go in here and update the number to what it should be. And then down in our rule summary, I'm going to put something descriptive like fixing typo in section 1 to cite ORS 184.360 instead of 183.360. This part is very helpful so that people know exactly what changed and where, especially if you have a longer rule. Then we'll fill out our filing contact information. If you had an attachment on the original rule, be sure to re-upload it now so that it doesn't accidentally get removed from the rule. Then check this box to acknowledge that the changes made in this minor correction adhere to the rules set forth in ORS 183.335 Section 7. Then we can either save this filing or we can go ahead and submit it. Now our filing appears up here in the Filings work queue. So it has been submitted, and staff at the Administrative Rules Unit will be able to review it and approve it or return it to us if there is an error.